Kiama kia madagitari a mahiu ni kinyitite mbaru ikinya ria thirikari kung'ethanira na andu aria marendiria arimi bataraitha njuru na ndawa njuru cia mahiu, makiuga undu uyu wagirirwo gukinyanirio hari nginya irio cia mahiu na mbegu cia guciarithania mahiu. Kelvin Nosore uria urahuranira giturwo kia muikariri giti wa kiama giki oigite hari bata wa thirikari gwikira hinya mbudi ya arigitani wa mahiu KVD na ruhonge rwa gukinyaniria arigitani wa mahiu niguo nao makahota kuoera ikinya andu aria marendia bataraitha na ndawa njuru, akiuga undu uyu ni uthararitie urimi na urithia wa mahiu na njira nene.
The government needs to take track of the achievements and the efforts put in place by various agencies. We shouldn't have a crackdown that aims to harass veterinarians. We should have a crackdown that builds on the framework put together by the Kenya Veterinary Board and the Veterinary Medicines Directorate, so that we give vets a chance to, for example, regularize their businesses, agrovets.
Kiama giki kiugite wendia wa bataraitha njuru mathoko-ini ni muhinga hari mihango ya thirikari kuhunia muingi na kuhurana na ng'aragu o undu umwe na kugwithia garama ya muturire.
Fertilizer scandal, I think, is really a sad story. Because as a country we are grappling with food insecurity. We are importing a lot of our maize, we're importing a lot of rice, we're importing a lot of other cereals. So for our nefarious characters to sit down and sell sand to farmers is really the height of economic sabotage. It's an issue that is a ticking time bomb. At the moment we are a country that relies heavily on agriculture and relies heavily on the healthcare system to boost our economy. But the veterinary professionals, including veterinary surgeons, play a very critical role in both the healthcare and agricultural sectors. But when you look at the numbers, there's a big shortage.
Hari urithia wa mahiu Osori ugite arimi ni makoretwo makihenio amu matiui mbegu iria njagiruru cia kuheo mahiu mao na thina wa mbegu iria itari njega ni cungiriria arimi ingi guthie hathara nene moko-ini ma turia nime riu akihoya thirikari kwandika arigitani ingi a mahiu niguo kung'ethanira na thina uyu.
We have a lot of fake feed, for example, animal feed circulating on the market, and farmers are bearing the brunt of that. In addition, we have a lot of fake semen, for example. Farmers who want to get their animals pregnant cannot actually differentiate between the premium product and the counterfeit products on the market. We have a lot of fake vaccines on the market. We have a lot of counterfeit antibiotics on the market.
Niguo gutigirira bururi uri na mahiu makinyaniru na mari na faida, kiama giki kiugite uhuthiri wa science urigitini wa mahiu ni ukurehere arimi na arigitani a mahiu umithio munene.
We want to see how we can utilize that science to ensure that veterinarians are benefiting from the association and from their work as experts in their subject areas. That also includes, of course, ensuring that we set up our veterinary resource center as soon as possible.
Geri Fotera, Kameme TV, Jitago Nyabura, Wakiruba.